If I were a man focused on becoming powerful in my masculine frame and attracting the woman I truly desire, I wouldn't waste my energy chasing her. I wouldn't bend myself trying to impress her or explain my worth over and over again. I would never negotiate attraction or beg for attention. Instead, I would focus on becoming the kind of man who creates a feeling she cannot find anywhere else. Because the truth is simple, women don't fall for men they fully understand. They fall for men who move them emotionally, men they feel. And in this guide, you'll see step by step how a man becomes that presence, and how most men quietly destroy their own chances without even noticing. First, understand polarity. Attraction lives in contrast. A woman is not drawn to a man who mirrors her completely or behaves like her emotional equal. She is drawn to a man who brings masculine direction to her feminine energy. Picture two men on a date. One agrees with everything, asks endlessly what she wants, tries to be overly nice, and fills every silence with nervous words. The other leads calmly, makes decisions with ease, speaks with purpose, and is comfortable with silence. The difference is clear. One creates comfort, the other creates charge. Women don't choose what feels flat, they respond to what creates energy. True attraction comes from that spark where she feels deeply feminine in the presence of grounded masculinity. Second, never build your life around a woman. A man without purpose loses his edge. Women are naturally drawn to men who are already moving forward, men with direction, ambition, and focus. The moment a man abandons his mission, his discipline, his routines, just to revolve around her, something shifts. The attraction fades, not out of cruelty, but because he is no longer the man she was drawn to. A strong man has his own gravity. He is not orbiting, he is the center of his own world. And that is what pulls others toward him. Third, become a man who earns respect from other men. Attraction is not built in isolation. It is influenced by social perception. Women notice how other men respond to you. They observe who commands respect, who carries influence, who stands out without trying. When a man improves his body, sharpens his mindset, builds a strong circle, and elevates his life, he becomes visible in a different way. Not because he seeks attention, but because his value becomes undeniable. Respect from men often translates into desire from women. Fourth, master emotional control. This is where most men fail. A woman's emotions can fluctuate, and often she will test a man's stability, sometimes consciously, sometimes not. What she is truly seeking is safety. Not comfort in words, but stability in presence. If you react emotionally to every shift, you create chaos. But if you remain grounded, with a calm voice, steady breath, and controlled responses, you become an anchor. Strong men don't match emotional storms, they absorb and neutralize them. And that kind of composure creates deep attraction. Fifth, understand that seduction begins in the mind. Physical attraction is only the surface. What truly stays with her is how you make her think and feel. The way you speak, your pacing, your tone, your presence, these create tension and anticipation. It's not about doing more, it's about doing less with intention. A slower walk, a quieter voice, a well-timed pause, these create intrigue. A man who can spark emotion without even touching her becomes unforgettable. Sixth, develop mystery. This doesn't mean hiding who you are, it means revealing yourself with control. You don't need to share everything at once. You let her discover you layer by layer. You speak with depth, but you don't over-explain. You show clarity, but not predictability. When she can't fully read you, her curiosity grows. Predictable men are easy to understand and easy to forget. But a man with depth and restraint becomes someone she keeps thinking about. Seventh, shift your mindset. Stop seeking approval and start evaluating. Most men act as if they are being judged, constantly wondering if they are good enough. But a strong man asks a different question. Is she good enough for me? Does she bring peace or confusion? Does she respect herself and others? Does she align with my values? When a woman senses that she is being evaluated instead of worshipped, her level of interest rises. Respect grows when you don't hand out your attention freely. Eighth, never place her above your purpose. The moment you put a woman on a pedestal, you lose your balance. Your focus shifts away from your growth and onto her approval. But when you prioritize your mission, your work, your discipline, your path, you become someone she respects naturally. A man who maintains his structure, who doesn't break his routines for temporary validation, creates a sense of stability and strength. And that draws her in without effort. Finally, become unforgettable. Not by trying to impress, but by becoming solid in who you are. Discipline, confidence, direction, calmness, and a touch of unpredictability. These are the traits that leave a lasting mark. The men women never forget are not perfect, but they are certain. They know who they are. They lead with intention. They create emotional depth and presence. They make a woman feel something real, something rare. So if I were that man, I wouldn't chase the woman I want. I would build myself into the man she can't ignore, the man she thinks about, the man she feels drawn to, and I would let her come to me.